In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring tasks in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive in. First, let's start by logging into your Trello account. Head over to Trello.com and select the specific board where you want to automate your tasks. This is where the magic happens. Once you're on your board, look at the board menu on the right side. You'll see a section called Power-Ups. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're in the Power-Ups menu, you'll want to add a new power-up to your board. So you'll see an option to add power-ups. Click on that, and in the search bar, type out Card Repeater. When you see the Card Repeater power-up pop up in the list, simply click Add to enable it on your board. Just a quick note here. If you're using a free Trello plan, make sure you haven't already reached your power-up limit for that board. Alright, the next step is configuring your recurring. You can either open a specific card you want to repeat or create a new one if you'd prefer to use it as a template. Let's say we want to set up a new task. Once you have your card open, look over to the right-hand side and you should see a button labeled Repeat. Click on that. After you click the Repeat button, you'll see a rocket icon at the bottom. This is your gateway to more detailed scheduling options. Click on that rocket icon and you'll be presented with various scheduling settings. This is where you get to really customize your recurring task. Now let's talk about setting your schedule preferences. You'll first need to choose how often you want your task to repeat. Do you want it to happen daily, weekly, or monthly? Pick what works best for your needs. Next, let's talk timing. If you chose weekly, select the specific day of the week you want the new card to appear. If you chose monthly, indicate the exact date of the month when you'd like the task to be created. Remember to also set the exact time you want the card to pop up. The next part is probably one of the most critical steps, choosing your destination. You can decide which list the repeated card should land in and whether you want it to appear at the top or bottom of that list. This setup ensures you can easily locate your recurring tasks without any hassle. Finally, it's time to select what elements you want to carry over from your original card. Do you want the automated duplicates to keep items like checklists, labels, due dates, or even the members assigned to the card? These elements can make tracking your recurring tasks much simpler. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to click Save to finalize the automation. And there you have it. You've successfully set up recurring tasks in Trello. This feature will not only save you time, but also keep your projects organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.